Hey, good morning, Logan.
Morning.
I'm going to show you how you can upload your assignments on Focus, but first we're going to see how we can download them onto your Microsoft 365. Okay?
Okay.
All right, so what I want you to do is open up any one of those underlined assignments that you have right there. Go ahead and open the week 30 vocabulary cells for me, please. And you see under assignment file, it's underlined. Go ahead and click it. It looks like it's at the top. Oh, good, you already submitted this, so this will be perfect for this video. All right, go ahead and click it on the bottom left. Now you're gonna get this screen that comes up. Go ahead and X out of that, please. Click Enable Editing. And you have to click Use Free at office.com. This will take you to your Microsoft Office homepage. Go ahead and click on the right where it says Upload and Open, and find that file name. It looks like it's at the very top. Go ahead and click Open. Now this will take you to a new screen that you'll be able to actually type on, okay?
Okay.
And here's what I want you to do. I want you to, at the top of the right where the cursor is, just type your name. Just first name is fine. Okay. And obviously you would answer the whole question, but here's what's important. I want you to go to the top left and click File and click Save As and rename it. Click Rename. And I want you to put your name at the back of that. So click, I want you to name it what it was. So type in week number 30 vocabulary. So then that way I'll show you why you want to do that. Dash cells. And then just type your first name after that. Click OK. Now go up to the file. Left. Click Save As. And download a copy. And click Download. Click Save. Okay, now here's what you want to do is open your folder so you see where it got downloaded. There you go. Do you see where it is?
Yep.
You want to be able to find exactly where you downloaded it, and now it's easy. You can see the assignment name and your name with it. So now what I want you to do is go X out of all of this and go back to your Focus portal. And click on all the way to the right. Do you see where it says Edit Upload?
Mm-hmm.
Click that. And go ahead and click Select. And you see at the very top where it has your name?
Yep.
That way you'll be able to find it very easily, the assignment with the one that has your answers. You would click that and then click Open. You do not have to go through all of this if you don't want to, as you already uploaded it, but for the sake of this video, if you can please actually just do that. And you'll see that it automatically gets uploaded. Okay?
Okay.
All right, that is how you download assignments onto your Microsoft 365 Word, and that is how you upload them to Focus.